We are headed out to Horsefly today to go and find some waterfalls. We've read that there are 3 different waterfalls out here to find, the lower, middle, and upper Horsefly Falls, all off of the Horsefly River. It looks beautiful, and we're excited to go on a little adventure.
Up 100 road.
This is a very pretty drive out here, but the smoke is really settling in. We had hoped it would clear up a little bit this afternoon, but it's about 11:30 now and it seems to be getting thicker, not lighter, but that's okay. This is the lower Horsefly Falls. It's really beautiful. I think we're gonna need the drone to get the full feel of the falls themselves, but we made it down to this little spot in the river at the top of the falls and it's beautiful. The rocks along here are incredible. You can like imagine how the lava flowed across this riverbed here and formed this. It's really fantastic, and there's some cool rocks, and the kids are gonna try doing some gold panning and see if they can find anything here. Heart shaped?
Yeah.
Nobody knows me like you do. You just read my mind. Nobody gets me except for you. Like we're intertwined. Seasons come and go. Universe will change, but I'll feel the same. Thought that you should know. Even if my eyes are closed, I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. Nobody sees me like you do. You just make me smile, and I wanna hold you.
What do you think of this spot, Jer? Pretty good?
Yeah. It's a river.
It's a fast, beautiful river, hey? Not one for swimming in though, I don't think.
But the other one, is the other one like a little bit calmer?
I've never been to any of these waterfalls, so I don't know if there's going to be a swimming hole. Hopefully, we brought our bathing suits, and it's getting hot.
towels.
And it's getting hot now, so I could use a splash. Well, maybe we should go see if they're done gold panning and flying the drone, and maybe we'll go to the next river or the next waterfall and have some lunch.
Is it that far away?
I think it's maybe about 20 minutes.
20 minutes? That's not that long.
Yeah. Let's do it. Absolutely gorgeous spot, this lower Horsefly Falls. None of us want to leave, but we're getting hungry, so we're going to pack up and head up to the middle Horsefly Falls and see if we can maybe find a spot to make some lunch. Off to the next.
Off to the next one. Let's do it.
Hiking down to Middle Horsefly Falls now. Hopefully it's not quite as steep as the last one.
Look at how pretty it is. It's like in a fairy tale.
Holy, it does look gorgeous, hey?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Amazing. This is amazing! There's a beautiful little beach down here. We're going to try and find a way to get down there to have some lunch, but the falls here are fantastic. Looks like a decent swimming hole and a little cave over there we want to check out.
Can we get over there?
I think they found a way. Let's go try back the way we came.
Yeah. Bubbles are insane.
Yeah. Oh, there's no way that way? Okay, well, we'll just climb down the cliff here. Oh, we made it down. It wasn't too bad, actually. The shale made for almost a little natural ladder. It was great. And it was well worth it because it's a beautiful spot for lunch. That's quite the rock.
Yeah, it's so light. It's seriously so light. Do you want a puppy talk? Yeah, let's get this. Putting this back. That was really good. Oh my god! Thank you! Oh, we're smelling! I lost it! 3, 2, 1. That's
That's so cool. How sparkly this one is. So cool. Whenever we go to the river, we all just spend most of our time looking for cool rocks. Wow, look at that one.
Bright orange.
It's orange. I wonder what kind of rock that is. Found some cool rocks too.
Yeah, every single one I pick up is cool. Look at that.
That's awesome. Those veins crisscrossing through it.
Yeah.
How is it?
Good.
Looks delicious.
Good.
Thanks for lunch.
Yeah, thank you, Daddy. You stole one. My first bite.
That's so
I
good.
stole one. Check.
Are you done already? Holy, you like that lunch.
Ow.
What do you have?
I forgot.
Dessert times 3?
Apple crisp, berry crumble, and chocolate pudding.
Holy. Pretty good lunch by the river.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
Your words work their way through me like water through a riverbed, dancing loud, splashing around upstream on a hot day. I love the way that you look at me like there is no tomorrow when I'm caught up in a movie scene of dread. But now's the only time I know for us to get ahead, by being still and moving slow.
Okay, we're gonna try and cross the river here and go and check out that little cave over there. The river is about waist deep, so it shouldn't be too bad, but it's cold, so wish us luck. We made it! Didn't fall on the way across the river. Hopefully I make it on the way back too. Whoa, cool! Oh, good idea bringing a headlamp. Wow, that's awesome! All right, that was super cool. Let's see if we can make it back across the river without falling. It's colder than I thought it was going to be. I'm shivering. It was seriously colder than I thought it was going to be. Okay, that was fun. That was way colder than I expected it to be. I don't know why I thought it wasn't going to be that cold, because my feet have had a headache since we got here, but it was great. Very refreshing. Are you doing it?
No.
Oh, come on.
Tell how cold it is on my feet. I'm not jumping in there.
All right, everybody, that was awesome. We still have one more waterfall to see though, so I think everyone should get dressed and we'll pack up and go and find the upper Horsefly Falls.
Let's do it.
One more dunk, and then it's time to get out. There's something so magical about a river bend where it just disappears out of sight. It just makes you want to explore and see what is around the next river bend, around the next corner. And this rock here juts out and you can't see, but you know the river keeps going. It's so amazing. I could just see as far as I can reach. My backpack weighs so much from all the rocks. Oh, okay. Well, Middle Horsefly Falls was fantastic. I think so far that was the highlight for me. Now we're off to the final waterfalls of the day, Upper Horsefly Falls. We
That
have a
was
few.
such a beautiful walk back.
You like that one?
Yeah. It'd be like a fairy tale.
A fairy tale. It was pretty fantastic. Okay, we've got a few kilometers down this bumpy road, and then we will be at the final waterfalls. And it looks like the smoke is finally starting to clear. Still a little hazy up there, but
You can see the blue sky behind it though now.
yeah.
This morning it looked overcast.
Pretty?
Yeah.
Well, we had a lot of fun at the Middle Horsefly Falls, but I think the Upper Horsefly Falls is by far the most dramatic waterfall. This is fantastic. There's another little trail that goes off along the edge of the river here. I'm just checking it out to see if it's passable with the kids. It doesn't really look like it's going to be, but I'm going to try. There's this huge cavern here though. It's crazy. It's this big crack in the rocks. What an insane place. So I'm going to try to see if I can get across there and up onto the other side of the falls there. Beautiful mountain up here. Yeah, I think this is as far as I'm gonna get safely. I don't really want to climb along on these logs here. This is an insane pile that must have washed up during like the high river time. I would not want to be down here in the spring when this river is really flowing to create this backlog here. There's a lot of power needed to make this big pile of logs here. Crazy. Hopefully Kyle can see what's up here with the drone. Not for me to walk.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more.
That was fun. Great day at the river.
Go get some pizza?
Yeah. Get some pizza for dinner. It's too late to cook now, so.
Okay, I'm starving.
All right.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
Wow, well that was a fantastic day. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah. It was so
Yeah.
fun.
I loved all of those falls. They were all totally different, but all so awesome.
Yeah, they were so fun.
What
Thanks
was
for
your-
taking us there?
You're welcome. What was your favorite one?
The second one.
Where we swam and had lunch.
Yeah, probably that one. I want more big meals.
If you were to say which was the most beautiful waterfall, which would you say?
Probably the second to the last one.
Yeah.
I think the second. I'd say that the last one was the most beautiful, even in the second one. They were both really close.
They were all fantastic.
They were all so different, so they were all beautiful in their own way.
Yeah. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next Sneak Away adventure.